sat on them. And they hatched. This one hatched like many years ahead of the other two. Because I was living with a different, And let me do this movie. That was the cause. My first movie that caused me to get married. Very young, to my leading man. But I love this movie. I love this song. And we're friends. And he has a crush on me. I'm sure of it. I say, darn. Stupid boy. And this is for all of you. Pwede bang kantahin ko in French? Oo. Tayo naman pinag-aralan mo. Sige. Take back mon cœur. Well. Lovers in Paris yan eh. Huwag naman. Hindi naman talaga si Carlo o si Martin. Binigyan ng laya. Meron ka ng laya, di ba? Meron na. Meron na. Mahal. Sa bagay katulad ko, ito'y nakakainis ka, dito ba? Nakikinig ako. Pag ako mag-shoot ng papa mo, ganda na boses niya. Oo.